Attack accident and it is motion dangerous than a typical passenger vehicle accident, often resulting in serious injuries that may significantly affect the quality of your life if you are allowed and has been seriously injured in commercial truck accident. You may be eligible for significant compensation contempt law office of for reason warning of and bold LLB to explore your legal option for maximum recovery. Our team of New York truck accident attorneys have the skills and experience that can make a difference in your case. And more than if you are allowed have one feel injured or killed in a New York truck accident, you need the assistance of the best truck accident attorney. Why choose us for your truck accident case? You can read and out here actually. This paragraph cause and many things are about. We will handle live effects of claim after the prestation and we handle all New York truck accident cases and some New York personal injury at times firms won't be able to work very much. We handle all New York truck accident cases. Easily read and write the article. Easy.